Hi, welcome. It's Maria, and today I want to show you how to add a little more functional movement to your bridge pose. So you want to have a yoga strap or something similar, and from there come to lay on your back. Bring the feet to the mat, knees bent, feet and knees at hip distance, just like you would for any bridge pose. Let your arms rest alongside your body. Just prepare there, and then take your strap and hold it about shoulder distance or so, maybe a little wider if your shoulders are tight. Press the feet into the floor, lift the hips, and reach the arms back above your head, pulling the strap apart. With the hips still lifted, bring the arms straight up towards the ceiling, press down, and then push up, take them back once again. Lift the arms, push them down towards the floor, pressing down into the shoulder blades, and then take the arms back above your head once again. Lift the arms so now they are right in front of your chest, pressing down into the shoulder blades, and then sending the arms back over your head again. So continue to move that way, keep the hips elevated the entire time, and feel free to even have support under your hips if you want to come into a supported bridge instead. So I'd like to do that about 6 times or so, maybe 8 times. Moving from one to the other and pressing down into the shoulder blades so that you're engaging. And when you're finished, release the hips, release the arms. And now I'll show you a second type of movement that you can do here as well. Take hold of your strap once again about shoulder distance or a little wider. Press down into the shoulder blades and then pull away. So you want to press down into the earth and then round through the shoulders, pressing down and rounding through the shoulders as you take the shoulders away from the floor. So you want to do that a few times, and I'll show you how that works here. So I know it's a little harder to see. So you're bringing the shoulder blades in towards each other, arms up, then arms forward, shoulder blades towards each other, arms up as you separate the shoulder blades, bring the arms forward, shoulder blades towards each other. So remember, they're meeting there towards the spine, and then you're widening them. So those are the movements, shoulder blades in and out as you move your arms. And as you do those movements, this is what's happening in the front. As you extend the arms, you're sending them back and then in. So back and then a little rounding. All right. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I will see you next time with a brand new video. Please, please, please subscribe, share, and like. And see you soon.